you can make this sunflower bookmark so quickly and easily. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little sunflower bookmark in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. So don't forget to watch this video till the end to learn this sunflower bookmark in just few minutes. So let's begin our video. The materials we need for this bookmark is a yellow yarn for sunflower petals, and then brown color yarn for the sunflower base. I'm using a dark brown, and then green color yarn for the tail and the leaf of sunflower bookmark, and then I'm using 2.5mm hook. You can use as your desired hook, and then I'm using scissors to cut the yarn and yarn needles to weave the yarn at end. So further delay, let's begin our video. Let's begin with a magic ring. Make a magic ring, and then insert your hook. Then make chain 1 and then make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Make 6 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Now pull the yarn of the magic ring, pull it tight to close the hole, and then we are going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this row. Make a slip stitch, then make chain 1. Now we are going to make row 2. In row 2 we are going to single crochet increase, make 2 single crochet in one stitch. There is total of 12 stitches in this row, 12 single crochet in total. So make 2 single crochet in one stitch. 5 and then 6. Just make it. After completing second round, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch of this row, and then now we are going to chain 1, and then in this third row we are going to make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. In this row we are going to repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet and a single crochet increase. There is total of 18 stitches in this row. After completing the third row, we are going to slip stitch in the first row and then chain 1. Now in the 4th row we are going to make 2 single crochet and then single crochet increase. Make 2 single crochet and single crochet increase. In this row we have total of 24 stitches. Make 2 single crochet and single crochet increase. After completing the 4th row, we are going to slip stitch at the first stitch and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn and then tighten it, and then we are going to make a knot with the magic ring yarn and then the cutted yarn. Just follow the pattern. We need the total of 2 parts in this project. We need 2 of them base for the sunflower to make it more detailing and more attractive and make the finishing well. Now we are going to attach the yellow yarn. To attach it, insert your hook in the both stitches of both part of the base, the circle. Just insert your hook in the both side. Now pull the yellow current yarn through it. Just follow the pattern, then chain 2. Now we are going to make a half double crochet in the next chain, next stitch. Insert your hook from both and then make a double crochet and then triple crochet in the same stitch. Make a triple crochet, then again make chain 2, make chain 2 and then we are going to insert your hook in the first chain and then slip stitch. Now we are going to make a triple crochet in the next stitch. Make a triple crochet, then make double crochet in the same stitch. Now again make chain 2 and then slip stitch in the next chain, slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to follow this pattern. Make chain 2, then double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next chain, make double crochet, then again triple crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 2 and slip stitch in the first chain, then again triple crochet in the next stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch, then again chain 2 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Just follow the pattern all the way around in this circle to make the sunflower petals. Just follow these steps. After completing, we are going to slip stitch and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Just cut it and pull the yarn through and tighten it. Now we are going to hide this yarn with the help of yarn needles. Just weave the end yarns. For making tail in the leaves, we are going to need green color yarn. Make a slip knot. First of all, we are going to make a leaf, so make slip knot and then make 9 chains. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the next chain, then make half double crochet in the next chain, make double crochet in the next chain, and then triple crochet in the next 2 chains, one and again triple crochet, now make a double crochet in the next chain, then half double crochet in the next chain, then make single crochet in the last chain, make a single crochet and then make chain 2, again single crochet in the same chain. Now we are going to repeat the pattern in this side, make a half double crochet, then double crochet in the next chain. In this side also we are going to repeat the same as we did before, make a 2 triple crochet in next 2 stitches, make 2 triple crochet, 1 Again 1, 2, triple crochet, then make 1 double crochet in the next chain, make 1 half double crochet in the next chain, meanwhile 1 half double crochet, then make 1 single crochet in the last chain. Now we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch. Now we are going to make a chains as long as you want your bookmark to be. I'm making 55 chains for this. You can make as much as you want or as long as you want. Just make the chains. After making the chains, now we are going to attach it in the sunflower. Just attach it with the help of slip stitch. Just insert your hook in the back side of the sunflower, any stitches, and then make slip stitch. It's a little difficult to slip stitch, but you can make it. After slip stitching, you are going to cut the yarn and then pull the yarn through and tighten it. Now we are going to hide this yarn also inside the sunflower from the back side only. Now cut the extra part of the leaf part. Just cut extra yarn, and then now we are going to hide the yarn with the help of yarn needles. Just hide it. As you can see everyone, our sunflower bookmark is ready. It's so cute and easy to make. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned it very well. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video, you will be notified. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Thank you so much for giving me love and support. I hope you can also support me in the future. So bye bye everyone.